Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to cancel Amazon Prime ad-free video subscription, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to Amazon and simply click on all. From here you can find Prime Video, so simply click on it, or otherwise you can go to the Prime Video, search for it, and you can find Amazon Prime Video, where you can able to sign up or for a new account share, or otherwise you can simply click on all videos. And from here you can find simply click on your profile icon, hover over on your profile icon, where you can find the purchases and rentals. So simply click on it, where you can find all of your purchases that you have just subscribed, all of your subscription here. So you can cancel your ad free. From here you can find the ad-free video subscription, and you can find a turn off your ad-free video subscription button. So you can simply click on it and it will turn off your auto renewal for your ad-free videos on Amazon Prime. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.